Hi everyone, I'm Rob Howe, and today I'm going to teach you to do a proper arm insertion of a Medtronic sensor. I've had type 1 diabetes for 17 years, and I use a Medtronic pump system, but this insertion works with any of the Guardian sensors. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get changed into some proper arm insertion clothes. Now that we're ready, I've had to do a lot of these sensor changes on my arm by myself. So today we're going to go through the proper steps from Medtronic. The sensor insertion and taping happens in 3 parts: prep, insertion, and taping and connection. Let's kick things off with the prep section. For starters, we need to make sure that we're clean, so let's wash our hands and clean our site application area with an alcohol swab. Now we're going to open the sensor package and place it into the inserter. Let's place the sensor facing up on our countertop. Grip the inserter with your thumb on the thumbprint. Place the inserter on top of the sensor. Push the inserter down onto the pedestal until the base of the inserter sits flat on the table. You'll hear a click. To detach the inserter from the pedestal, you'll need to grip the inserter with your thumb on that same thumbprint. With the other hand, place 2 fingers on the pedestal arm and pull the inserter straight up. Okay, now we're locked and loaded and ready to insert. So that's our prep work. Now let's move on to step 2. Insertion. To insert your sensor, take the inserter and hold it steady against your clean insertion site. Then press the green buttons on the side of the inserter, right here, to insert your sensor. Once it's flat against your skin, press the little bumps on the green buttons to insert the sensor. Okay, now we're gonna slowly lift our inserter away from our body, making sure that the green buttons are not pressed. You'll notice that the needle is still attached via this little plastic tower. So we're going to remove this, but we need to do it the proper way. Since I'm doing this myself on my left arm, I'm going to put my pinky finger and my thumb at the base of the needle, and then I'm going to use my pointer finger and middle finger to pull the top of the needle and remove it from the sensor base. So we need to remove the second adhesive so we can make sure our sensor is attached firmly. If you want, this is your preference, you can also use skin tack. So I'm going to hold my sensor base right here, and then I'm going to remove the adhesive. Okay, one thing to make sure you do during that is you'll see this little strip here. You don't want to mess with this adhesive strip yet. This is for later when we attach our transmitter. So now it's time for part 3, taping and connection. We're going to tape down our sensor and connect our transmitter. But before we get to the transmitter, we're going to use our first piece of tape, which looks like this, our first piece of tape, to secure our sensor to our skin. I'm using the Medtronic oval tape that comes with your sensor. So let's take our first piece of tape. We're going to remove this liner labeled 1, and we're going to place it over our sensor. Once it's placed, we're going to remove the liner that's labeled 2 to attach the tape to our skin. Okay, now we've got our first level of tape down. So now we're going to attach our transmitter. When the transmitter is attached correctly and is charged, the transmitter light will flash. If it doesn't flash, refer to your troubleshooting guide in your instruction manual. So I'll show you here. We're going to remove it. Boom, boom. That's the flash that you're looking for. And it's also going to make that similar flash when you attach it to your sensor. And now we're going to attach our transmitter. Now that our transmitter is attached, we just have 2 final steps to secure our sensor. First, we're going to remember this liner that we talked about earlier from this adhesive tab. We're going to take that liner off and we're going to cover the transmitter. And then we're going to grab our second piece of tape, remove liner 1, place it on the sensor in the opposite direction as your first piece of tape, and then we're going to remove liner 2 to secure our sensor. You might want to consider using additional tape over the top of the oval tape to keep your CGM secure. That's it. You did it. Your very own proper arm insertion of the Medtronic sensor. Before you get on with your day, be sure to check out and smooth your tape just so make sure it doesn't catch on anything. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and ask them in the comments. And if you want to hear more from me, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time, but where did my shirt go? Okay, there we go. Now I can get on with my day. See you next time.